Alright, what's good with it right now? I'm about to take my dog on a walk, but this wind is ridiculous. I was gonna go this morning, and this wind wasn't having it. Like, I wasn't gonna try filming this wind, but look. Dude, trash cans are even being knocked down. Alright, update. We're on our way home right now. It's windy, tumbleweed. And yeah, let's keep on going, shall we? And yeah, there's all these cars along as well. There's that tumbleweed like across the street. Let's see what else. Yeah, let's keep going. Alright, so we're about to be back home right now. It's a good thing, because this wind sucks badly. Trash can, come on. Hey, yo, what is good with it right now? I'm admitting it's a little stupid cold out here because I have to wait for my dog to go potty. He's just sniffing around right now. How convenient. It's like close to 11 o'clock. I have to go edit right now. Go put this video up on YouTube. And he's over here walking around. I mean, you can probably see him, but I mean, he's like right there. Lighting sucks. I have to buy some better lighting equipment, but I have some big news coming up. I'm changing my gaming setup a little bit. I'm going to be playing in the garage instead of in my room, because I know some of you guys probably came from my gaming channel, and yeah, my TV light bulb burned out, so struggles real on that. To just play on a different TV. Next TV I got an option to is downstairs, so in the garage, so that's where I'll be playing. If it comes down to it, I'll play Call of Duty and all that and drop videos in there. I know I'm almost out of PlayStation Plus, so I think once I run out, I'll go play Assassin's Creed Origins, finish the rest of that game up, and play Call of Duty, and hopefully get PlayStation Plus sometime soon. I guess all I could do is hope, because I have to get a monitor for my gaming PC. That's also what I'm going to be using for editing. And yeah, I'm also going to be asking for a video card for Christmas as well. That's like too many things I want right there. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video. And yeah, subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the bell. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a better video. Hopefully it won't be so windy tomorrow, because it's been some crazy wind today. We're just wind after wind of like big old gusts. It sucks. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.